beautiful early morning, ready for some yard sales. Hit that subscribe button while you enjoy the video. All right, first one of the day. I got some older stuff, honey. Some older stuff.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's a good day for it.
Yeah, finally, a day without some rain.
It's real true, but it's all over print. Oh. Bob Marley. So I probably get that. No, I mean, I might get that. I said Lowe's Racing. This is old Polo.
These are old.
American Eagle.
They're not cargo, but I'm like, is this
the style or
the
look?
style or something?
And they're cool looking.
I wonder how much their clothes are.
It was more than I thought it was going to be. I think I'm going to get one of those up there. I looked at, yeah. Okay.
Are you going to switch out?
I'm going to switch out, yeah. After I look at it for a minute, I'm going to, yeah.
Old penny board.
Too stressful. Yeah.
Toad. Tennis rackets.
You get the money, right? You want to pay for this? $2.
Break a 20.
We've been threatening to do this for a long time. We just haven't gotten around to doing it.
I understand.
16, 17, 18.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Same to you. Those are cool. Can always get a good Manning jersey.
Shoes are a little bit too long. Men's clothes $1
Carhartt.
each. We can do $1 for some Carhartt jeans.
Carhartt.
What are these?
Wrangler. Alright, so what's in the hoodies? 2018. Oh, what's in here? Open this up, I have one here. It's heavy. It says $5. Let it be a Sony. And it looks like a Sony.
Mom, can we do all weather anywhere?
Yes.
So sweet.
Come on. You want to work on that today?
What? What are you looking at, little girl? Yeah, you have some just like that already. Yeah, you have some that size. Bleh. You have a good shirt though, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
There's
a couple of them, actually, other ones
I'm
like
trying to convince my oldest to be Recyclops for Halloween this year. I'm just gonna start the tradition.
There you go.
So.
For myself.
Oh yeah,
It's got a
that's
little
cool.
stain at the bottom, but I was like, I think it'll fit me.
That's cool. All right.
So,
You want to
you
swap?
ready? Okay.
Or you want the money?
Swap.
She's and everything. Don't stand on that.
Yeah. Should be $3 for the clothes.
And then the bag.
Yep.
Thanks.
Oh yeah. And that works It's just old.
Yeah, no, I love these things. Alright, so 5 on that. 2 pair of jeans and this shirt.
Are these your jeans?
Yeah, so it's $2 each for the jeans.
Okay.
50 cents. $7.50.
All right. And then we
Where
know.
do your kids go to? Are they in school yet?
Yes. North
Okay,
Elementary.
I teach at South.
Oh, okay.
There's $8. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Totally
you.
fine. Y'all have a good one.
I think I see some books over here. You guys come over here.
Cohen, I think there's some books next door that you might be interested in. River, stop. What is that?
What are you asking for that set of the
Just $1 each for the book.
$1 each? Oh, I think.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, you gotta buy them, man.
You gotta pay for them. We have to keep them.
Yeah, we're gonna take those 5 books, ma'am.
Okay, a bit.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You want to put them in the bag, buddy?
I saw it, Jesse, I know. They want to see you.
Yeah.
We're seeing if we can refill them.
Yeah, it's that champion suit.
It's a USA like basketball. Official outfitter of the 1996 USA basketball team.
Yeah.
Assembled in Colombia.
I'd look
Dad,
that
look
up.
at me. Hey, Dad.
Look like the dream team. Yep, that's a fighter helmet, man.
That's free.
What did you want on the?
We've got $2.50 on it. It was a gift to my son.
Gotcha.
He tried it one time and
He was like-
said it's just not for him.
Yeah.
So I figured since they sell for $400 and up that $2.50 is a good price for one.
What you doodle?
Somebody don't have the whole pantsuit. I mean, it's cool, Jack. All right, we're gonna take these 2.
All right.
We don't even need that pad because we already have it.
I said my kid needed it so that when his brother tried to beat up on him, $10.
Thank you.
Thank you. And she's got here. Give me a bag.
Oh, we're
fine.
good.
Yeah.
I want my
Fit in that
handles
bag.
back. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
you're fine. We still don't need.
Yeah,
that.
we got bags in the car.
Okay.
We have the big bags.
Yes, absolutely. Keep all your things. Do you want me to set it maybe over here so people don't think it's available?
Thank you.
Well, this is Lily Pulitzer, like bed sheets.
Oh, okay.
And then I was interested in some of those cups for the boys.
Okay. There's a ton of vineyard vines, long sleeve guys clothes.
What is this?
How much was the bed set?
Oh, it's 100.
100.
I probably would take 75.
Okay.
It's
What
cute.
about the little cups?
$1 a piece.
Okay. All right, getting these 2. I'm sorry, I didn't want to interrupt you.
It's okay. Sorry. Is it a 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where can I look at?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy
There's a Carhartt shirt, new in the package.
This stuff might be cheaper. I don't know. like this is a little coach scarf.
We
Okay.
have this ball.
No, on the vendor
No.
find they want $10 for the long sleeve.
No.
This is really
Do you wanna ask on this how much? Oh, I don't want to pay. No, it's just good guys. If it's too high, put them back. Because I don't know. Got little kids.
On the shirts.
Yeah, $3 for the shirts.
Okay. And then the scarf.
$5.
Go and look what I just found.
Probably not in this card.
Okay. Do these.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just get the 2 shirts.
Let me get you some change. I need 4 ones. 2 ones. Sorry, Marcus.
That's a regular vendor price.
There you go.
Okay.
4 ones.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
How much on this long sleeve?
$2.
Two.
Alright, so we'll
It's
do
up to you.
cents, 50 cents, and $1, so $2.
Well, no, there's holes.
Okay. Alright, so she called me to come over this way. There's Mama. Oh yeah, he connects with all together.
I'm looking up that. I don't know. Comps are a little too all over the place, I think, for Katie. It looks kind of old though. I don't know.
What?
That hiking backpack, or is that not something you want to fool with?
I mean, I've done well with them in the past. Yeah, this is the... It's 2003, his same year.
And then you want to see what I've picked up.
Yeah, let me see what you got.
So, the limbs,
Uh-huh.
that. I just was kind of grabbing, somebody else was looking through. I don't think they were going for her and stuff.
But yeah.
Down the sleeve. There's no tag in that one.
Okay.
2001. Oh, it's got a stain.
That's alright. Uh-huh.
Not much on it,
But newer, yeah.
oh, this for Cohen. Addie girl. No ma'am. This 2015.
Okay.
Maryville, Tennessee. This.
Okay.
So I don't think any of them are old.
No, Addie.
This one looks like it might be old. Or just single stitch, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
84.
Oh, yeah.
And then this is an extra small, but
Alright, I'll just see what they're doing on it. And right there's where the video cuts out, but we only spent $15 on that stuff you saw. Got that basket full of Transformers for $5, and all of those Harley shirts for $10, including that 1984. That's going for $175. Got a watcher on it already. Thank you for tuning into the video. We love yard sales. Hope you do too. And if you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button because you're going to enjoy more videos from our channel. We thank you so much if you're already subscribed because you guys are supporting our family of 5. Still working on an adoption and raising our pretty soon to be 1-year-old and our oldest son as well. So glad you joined today, and be sure to tune back in for some more flipping, finding, and fun content.